Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Sullivan for Tuesday, November 10th. And your warm up today was to describe one part of the mummification process. So it doesn't matter what part you describe. So you could talk about how they have to take the brains out of the nose, how they have to take all the organs out of the body, like the intestines and the liver, etc. You could talk about how they left the heart in the body to be weighed in the afterlife. You could mention the wrapping in linen. You could talk about how they put like salt over the body. There's lots of different things that you could mention. If you did not get a chance to do the mummification process in the activity yesterday, please get that web quest taken care of. And if you have questions, let me know. So here is our objective for today. We're going to identify and explain the achievements of Egyptian pharaohs to help understand how these achievements helped in the development of the ancient Egyptian civilization. How we're going to do that, you're going to read articles over certain pharaohs, complete the pharaoh table, and if in class, you're going to share facts with classmates. We'll see if we can figure that out with Google Meets. I'll know I've got it when I can recognize achievements of the pharaohs as I read, and I can explain the achievements to my classmates. So you're going to be working with this ancient Egyptian pharaoh table, which looks like this. So using the readings provided, fill out the table over the following Egyptian pharaohs. The readings are linked under the pharaoh's name. There is also a link to a Screencastify where I read it for you. If you have questions as you're going through this, please do let me know. So for each pharaoh, you should be able to list at least 3 achievements and facts. Achievements would be, for example, good things they did for Egypt, what they are most famous for, etc. Those would be, more important than some other things. Because after this, you're going to have to decide which one you think is the best pharaoh and tell me why you think they are the best. So for example, I'm going to first read about Khufu. You can click on that and it will take you to the Khufu document to read. Okay. And you can read through that there. If, reading is not your thing, your forte, you can listen to me reading it by clicking here and going to the video that I made where the article is in front of you and I read it to you. Quick facts. He was born in 20. What you are going to do is here under achievements, that's where you're going to type your at least 3 achievements and facts about each pharaoh. You will continue down and go through the 6 that are on here. And then once you are finished, you're going to complete a Google form. So after reading through the articles and completing the table, answer the questions on the following Google form. Google form length, who is the best pharaoh? So you would click on that. It's going to take you to this Google form. Basically, you're just telling me your name. I have the pharaohs listed that were covered. Choose which pharaoh that we studied you think should get the title of best pharaoh. So you would pick out of those 6 ones that were mentioned. You can pick other if you know a name and information about one that you think is better than any of those. And then give at least 2 reasons why you believe the pharaoh you choose was the best pharaoh. So if you pick this other one right here, you're going to have to name that pharaoh so I know who you're talking about, and then give me 2 reasons why you think that. And then you just hit submit, and you are done for the day. If you have questions for me, please let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a fantastic rest of your day.